Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life, and it is Monday full of minis, and it's Christmas in July. I've got my Christmas paper clips. I've got the only thing I could find that was going to work in a pinch for a Christmas decor, and it's pink and white, and got Christmas cheese, gingerbread cookies, cute things. So for now, this is what I'm going to use. Hopefully it looks okay on camera. I've got $38, and let's set up Monday full of minis. I can't believe we're doing Christmas in July because I live in Vegas and I couldn't find any of my Christmas stuff. Like I wanted to wear a Christmas sweater, so instead I'm wearing my Christmas pajamas. And that's okay. And we're going to finish out whatever's in here, and then we'll just replace it with some Christmas goodies. So Financial Dreams with Christine. This is a freebie on her channel, so savor the flavor of watermelon this summer, which sounds super refreshing today. And then Roll and Save. I think this was a freebie in an order from Becca Budgets, 777. Let's see, I do have my little shark guy from Bookish Mama Budgets, and that was in an order I also placed with her. She can go in the 6th spot. Sharks in Love. That's on my site. That can go in number 1. Saving with Sam, we have Oculus Reparo. And I realized I should probably put the little breaking of the glass in there. I don't know. That can go in the 3 spot. And then the collab with Nabby's Cash Life and the traditional dollar, Road to 500 subscribers. I finished Nabby's, so now I am working on the traditional dollar. All right, and I do have some here. That's mine. Get some others. And hopefully we can get them all set up at the end of this video. I don't think we need our paper clips yet. So I have, let's see, I think it was $38. So I have 28 ones and 2 5s. So we'll do the first round, and hopefully we can exchange those 5s for 1s and keep playing. Let's get a Tina out. And here we go. 5. Ooh, these ones stick together. Nabby's Cash Life and TTD's collab. 5 again. 4. Financial Dreams with Christine. 5. Nabby and TTD. 4. Wow. 5. Well, I thought I'd be able to finish some of those, but apparently not. 1. Sharks in Love. 5. Holy cow. 5. All right, you're banned. Let's do the other Tina. 4. Okay. 6. There we go. And 5. Holy cow. 6. And 2 more dollars. 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, this one has $14 already. All right, well, they get the 2 5s. So now we have 10 more dollars, and hopefully 2 and 3 can get some love today. 1. 1. Okay. Oh my goodness. 2. Yay. All right, my last 2 is 6. All right. Sorry, Saving with Sam. I do think Harry Potter's a Christmas movie, and I know it's not a Christmas movie, but every year they say Happy Christmas, and we have a whole Christmas scene. So this can stay. I'm okay with that. So let's see. Let's put this here. Nothing's happening with that. All right, so let's... We will start with Bookish Mama Budgets. And today we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6, and that is exactly what we needed. Holy cow, that's awesome. I forgot to get a pen out. Let's do green for Christmas. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We get to ring the bell. Yay! Okay, that's awesome. So this will be the first completed challenge that we have for July. And I don't have where it's going. Well, I'm going to leave it that way because we'll see how much money we have at the end. Maybe it'll go into the randomizer or towards debt. So let's get one of our Christmas themed colored paper clips. And yay, our first one. Let's put that to the side. Hopefully we can do another one. The one I'm going to grab for the next one is All I Want for Christmas is My Two Front Teeth. This is the collab with Becca Budget 777 and Budget with Tiffany. This is Becca's, so it just cracks me up. So this will be in our next one, and I'm going to make each little twofer $1. And so I will just put that in there. That's ready to go. Let's see what we got for the next one. This is the traditional dollar. This is her portion of the Road to 500 collabs. No, that doesn't make sense. This is her portion of the collaboration for Road to 500 subscribers with Nabby's Cash Life. And I think they were the big winner today. So let's see what we got. We got 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so we got $14 here. Okay, we can do a lot. Okay, so we have $14. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I'm going to color in the C and go backwards. All right, there we have it. Not the best coloring with the markers that I didn't want to use, but it works. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6 left on this. Each letter is $1. So we should finish that one up next week. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, $17 so far. So that one will just go in here. Next one up, we have Financial Dreams with Christine. We have Savor the Flavor of Watermelon this summer. Savor the Flavor of Watermelon this summer. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that is 3 watermelons. That's very exciting. So we have 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, $24. And this will save us 30 when we are done. So that goes in here. Next up is Becca Budget 777. So it only got $2. So I did not get a chance to finish as many as I thought to bring in Christmas ones. But we are still going to push forward with what we have. So 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and $24. So this will be a save 32 when it's done. And then Sharks and Move. Okay. So this one got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, which is awesome. We did finish this one. So we needed 2, 4, 6, and 7. So let's count out that 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that leaves $3 for a new one. Yay, we finished Sharks in Love, going to our anniversary trip. So this will be the second one we get to put in the July. So we have 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, and $32. That is awesome. Let's ring the bell. Yay. Put a Christmas paper clip on. Get a little thumbnail. Okay. The next one I'm going to do is Norella's Budgets, or Nori. She has a YouTube channel and she has an Etsy store now, and she has some really cute things. So I am going to use Merry Christmas in July for this. So I'm going to make each circle $1. So I'm going to put $3 in. Let's scoot this off to the side. I'll use my little green marker. So I'll do $1, $2, and $3 and put this in here. So we are off to a really good start for our Christmas in July and our Monday full of minis, and tomorrow with our Tuesday full of tinies. I have a bunch of tiny ones printed out and ready to go. So hopefully we get to finish some and just jump right into Christmas in July. So thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate you guys, and I hope you have a wonderful week. Take care. Bye.